Status report on Bart's vehicle. What's happening now is we are just running wires everywhere. We've started pretty much everything wiring wise. The rear wall setup's been 98% finished. Just got to do some more wires from our roof rack down to the back wall because we are running our Selfie and our UHF on the back. Come have a look. UHF Selfie unit. I usually run them at the front, but the reason being was we're going to put the antennas on the roof of the vehicle. Bart wants to keep the bull bar looking a little bit not so cluttered. We are running a Phat Bars non-hooped bumper replacement type bar on this vehicle, so it'll keep that nice and clean. So that's what's going on with those at the back. Amps for obviously our sub and our speakers. So as you can see, it's just pandemonium in the front at the moment. I have wired up all my switches though, so all my airbag switching is all done, all my center console stuff's done. That's going in here, and then I am now just finished all my driver side stuff, and I'm just wiring up my gauges. So I'm going to do airbag man gauge up here along with a red arc dual voltmeter, because we've got bags in the rear with the 4495 system. And then I have a under-bonnet dual battery setup going in this vehicle for Bart, because we are doing a center console fridge system utilising Department of Interior's center console. So that's what's going on there. That way Bart can obviously keep an eye on start and second battery under bonnet. And then in the rear, once we get our Boss Aluminium set up for this, we're going to be doing a full lithium setup in there. So that'll pretty much come hopefully not too far away. We've done all of our prep at the rear here, so all my main wiring loom and then extras as well. No rear winch in this thing. Our towing been sorted out, so that's all ready to go. All my airbag air lines have been run for our toolbox setup, because we're going to put the compressor in the toolbox on this side, and then we're going to obviously have our bag for airbag man solenoid in there to pretty much run everything. So that's what's going on there. Roof rack has been done, and I've got our Deutsch plug ready to rock and roll up there, so that's got our pin out on it. I have prepped a little bit of stuff for the stereo as well. I've got to actually pull the loom out of the box to then start wiring that up, but I've got all my RCAs up there for the amplifiers and all that. So that's all kind of what's happening. Sam's down the front wiring everything under bonnet, so all our fusing, relays and all that, that's what he's doing right now. Winch solenoid setup and ECU as well, Safari ECU. That's kind of going in there as well.
Hey guys, how you going?
Did you fix that?
I did.
You fixed it.